Okay, this is a video to show you the power of this little thing. So I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see, there's no light in the room, and I'm gonna turn it on right now so that you can have some idea. Alright, here it is. I'm about a meter away from the pillow, so as you can see, it's really good and I really recommend it. Here, great light source. So just for you to take a look, let's go here and let me turn that off so that you can see. That's on my oops, wait a minute. Let me turn on the light. All right. Okay. That's it. Great product. Just get it.